Assalamualaikum. Today let's do black pepper chicken.
Our saucepan, first we put our butter, onion in, garlic, black pepper, ketchup, soy sauce, Worcester, salt and sugar, chicken broth. We will simmer this guy until thickens. We add more butter and slurry. Our black pepper sauce done. I have here chicken thighs seasoned with salt and black pepper. Dredge each into cornstarch. Pan fry our chicken till golden brown. Now we go to our plating. More ground pepper to our sauce and mix. Pour to our chicken guys some sesame and green onion. Enjoy!